Hello, it's Carlos, your DIY plumbing guy. Today we have a pretty common problem here, is a dripping bathroom faucet. Today I'm gonna show you how to repair this. This one is a Glacier bay. Stick around even if you don't have the same exact model, because the foundations of this repair, it's pretty much the same across any bathroom faucet. So first let's get started by turning off the water supply, both hot and cold. Now let's open both handles to let any of the water that's inside out. For this particular faucet, we are missing a cover here. We're gonna remove the same cover here, like that, just using a regular flathead screwdriver. And we are removing the Phillips screw that's inside this faucet. Your Phillips screwdriver, and right in the center, hold the handle and undo the screw. Now you grab the handle and you pull it up. It should come pretty easy, or sometimes what I do, if it's stuck, I tap on the side to lose up any corrosion, and as you do that, you're able to pull up. This one came out pretty easy. You then will see the retaining nut holding down the cartridge, and what we need to do is replace that cartridge, because that's what's having the faucet drip. The cartridge, it's either loose or broken. Grab an adjustable wrench to loosen up the retaining nut. If the retaining nut is too tight and won't come loose, use some blaster penetrating oil. Drip it on the retaining nut and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. With the adjustable wrench, work your way removing the retaining nut. Remove the cover that's on top of the cartridge and save it. You're gonna need that for later. And to remove the cartridge, you need a flathead screwdriver. Grab a flathead screwdriver and then you can stick it on the side of the cartridge and pry it out. This cartridge came out pretty easy, and as you can see, it's just regular wear. Repeat all the same steps we did, but this time for the cold side. You could see easy that on the cold side, the cartridge is broken into pieces. This is definitely the cause of the dripping faucet. So replacing this will fix the dripping for sure. For this project, we're replacing both of them together. It's a fairly inexpensive fix and well worth the time while you're at it. Now that you have removed both cartridges, you can take them to your local hardware store to find an exact replacement. For this specific model that I'm repairing, check the description below and I'll link the right replacement for this model. While you're at it, make sure to grab some silicone grease. You're gonna need it to install back the new cartridges. Installing the cartridges, it's pretty simple. Apply silicone around the cartridge and insert back into the faucet. And as we did for removing it, it's the reversal operation for installing. Put back the retaining nut and tighten everything down. Installing the handles back, you put the cover on the cartridge first, place the handle on top of it, and screw it in place. Repeat the same process for the hot side. Now you're ready for water test. Remember to turn the water back on underneath the cabinet, open up the faucet, let it run for a little bit, and check for drips. And there you have it. I hope this helps solve your faucet dripping issue. As always, I try to make these videos helpful and easy to follow. And if you want to tackle a little more challenging project such as replacing your bathroom faucet, check out this video on how to replace your bathroom faucet. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.